Hi everyone, happy weekend from Natural Harmony crew. Say hi Laura. Hello. Today we're making delicious raspberry muffins so we can use them for breakfast, lunch and snacks during the week. So I trust that you will enjoy this and we're ready to show you exactly what you need to make this happen. So today we have the dry ingredients ready, and what you need there is some wholemeal flour, almond meal, rolled oats, coconut flakes, and some baking soda or bicarb soda. I always get them mixed up. Which one is this? Is it baking soda?
Baking soda.
Baking soda? Baking powder. Okay, baking powder. So those are your dry ingredients. In terms of our wet ingredients, we've got coconut oil, we've got vanilla essence, a staple, make it smell delicious. We've got 2 eggs, and we've got some natural yogurt for you to put in there, okay? Now, after that, you need a cup of fresh or frozen raspberries. Today we've got frozen. Just hold that for a moment because that's coming. And to garnish, top up your muffins, we've got some chopped up raw almonds. Okay, so all of that, have that ready. Now we've got a special trick for you to try at home.
Yeah.
And because this is a family recipe, we want everyone to be nice and healthy at home. And as you may know, at Natural Harmony, we are big on food as medicine, and we are big on our probiotic foods. So today, Emma, which probiotics are we using in our muffins?
Kids probiotics.
Kids probiotics. And what are they good for? Do you know?
Your tummy.
Your tummy. And what does it do for your tummy?
Makes your poo come out.
Makes your poo come out better. Yeah, that's one thing that it does. What else?
Makes your brain work well.
Makes your brain work well. Very good. And anything else? It's also really good for your skin. Really, really easy to have. And we're going to pop some into our muffins today as well. Now, if you don't have kids at home, that's okay, because we've got probiotics for everyone, probiotic foods for everyone. We also have the women's health range as well. So if you are looking to make something a little bit more healthy for your gut, you could utilize those in your baking, in your food, okay? So the main thing that we need to remember here is not to over mix the ingredients, just gently combine them together. So we want to get all the goodness from our wet ingredients into the other bowl. Yeah, I'm just going to have to be really careful here, Emma.
I am a chip.
Now that all our ingredients are combined, we want to put some raspberries through all of that gently, and then we can start filling the patty cakes. girls, do you want to put the raspberries in?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. And Laura?
It's me. Yeah.
Thank you so much and see you for another recipe very soon. Bye!